Welcome to RideBNB, also known as RideBNB ecosystem, your gateway to passive wealth. If you've been searching for a legit and sustainable way to earn passive income, RideBNB is the golden opportunity you've been waiting for. Whether you're a passive investor who doesn't want to refer anyone, or you're ready to build a massive team, RideBNB has a place for you. Don't want to refer anyone? No problem. Simply meet the investor requirement, and you can start earning, even without referrals. Just position yourself and let the system work for you. This system will change your financial life for life. We're not just talking theory here. Here are real earnings from members of our team. Some have earned over $100,000 to $500,000. These results are possible because of the realistic and sustainable structure built into the system. Why RideBNB is different? Think big. Look at the structure from level 5 and beyond to see how realistic and massive the earnings are. No need to request withdrawals. Your earnings go directly to your crypto wallet. Fully decentralized. No central control, no admin, and no shutdown risk. Which means the owner doesn't ever have any control over the system again. So far, no shutdown because it's already disclosed on the BNB blockchain. If the owner doesn't have control over it again, the beauty of this platform. This is proof that there is no CEO or administrator here. First of all, this is not called a withdrawal option because it automatically goes to your wallet when someone registers and upgrades under your account. As long as it's under your community, it will go in immediately. And here's what's even better. You can register and upgrade using a smart contract. This means that even if the domain link disappears, you can still register. How the RideBNB ecosystem works. RideBNB offers a community-driven structure with multiple income streams. Even if you don't refer, you can still earn. Just learn how the system operates and position yourself early. Multiple streams of income. 1. Direct referral bonus, 10%. Earn 10% instantly when you refer someone. 2. Rank upgrade bonus, 62.7%. Earn as your community grows through 15 structured levels. 3. Recurring level bonus, 21%. Earn passively from 15 levels deep in your team. 4. Royalty bonus, 3.5%. Daily non-working income for top leaders. 5. Lifestyle reward bonus. Unlock luxury travel, cars, villas, and more. Let's start with the rank upgrade bonus. This is a significant part of your income, so we need to focus on it. If you understand it, you'll be amazed by the opportunity. The beauty of this bonus is that you can earn even from people you didn't invite, as long as they are under your community tree. How do we earn from the rank upgrade bonus? Remember, we are earning in BNB, which is Binance Coin. Registration is also done using BNB. Let's assume you start with level 1, beginner, just 0.0045 BNB, which is around $3 to $4 now, because the price of BNB is not fixed and can increase. To fully activate your earning potential, you only need 2 direct people under you. But if referring isn't your thing, don't worry. If you're coming in as an investor and meet the simple requirements, our team will support you. The GBN leaders can help assign 2 active members under you within a month, so you don't miss out on the rewards this system offers. When these 2 people register under you, you will earn 0.004 BNB, about $2.50 each, which is 62.7%, around $5 total. As you've noted, the price of BNB changes over time, so the equivalent in USD will vary depending on the current market rate of BNB. The power of duplication. Each of your 2 brings 2 more people. Now you have 4 people in your second generation, which is also level 2. So if you started as a beginner, you can now upgrade to influencer level 2. Earning at influencer rank. You earn when someone in your second generation upgrades to influencer. No one else can earn this bonus except you, unless you're not an influencer. If you haven't upgraded to influencer, the system will look for the second upline above you to reward. From rank to rank. The people in your second generation also need to duplicate the same thing. They bring 2 people each. Now you have 8 people in your third generation. If you have enough income, you can upgrade to the third rank, called Achiever's Rank, Rank 3. You earn when someone upgrades to Achiever's Rank, starting from your third generation. This same process continues through level 15 and 15 generations. Example, Rank 10 Icon. If you are at Rank 10 Icon, you now have the opportunity to earn from your 10th generation, which includes 1,024 people under you. You earn when someone upgrades to Icon rank, starting from level 10 down under you. But what if someone upgrades to level 10 in your 10th generation, and you haven't upgraded to rank 10? The system will look for the 11th upline from you. This is called a pass-up. A glimpse into potential earnings in rank upgrade bonus. Here's what you can earn through each level of the RideBNB system. Level 1. Beginner. Cost to upgrade 0.0045 BNB, around $3. You receive 2 payments. Total earned 0.0632 BNB, around $5. Level 2. Influencer. Cost to upgrade 0.066 BNB, around $4. You receive 4 payments of $3.10. 0.0165 BNB, around $12.42. Level 3 Achiever. Cost to upgrade 0.0132 BNB, around $10.69. You receive 8 payments of $6.20. Total earned 0.0662 BNB, around 49 cents. Level 4 Ambassador. Cost to upgrade 0.0264 BNB. You receive 16 payments of $12.40. Total earned 0.264 BNB, around $198.40. Level 5 Pioneer. Cost to upgrade 0.0528 BNB, around 40.69 cents. You receive 32 payments of $24.80. Total earned 1.059 BNB, around $793.60. Level 6 Mentor. Cost to upgrade 0.1056 BNB, $80, 69%. You receive 64 payments of $49.60. Total earned 4.239 BNB, approximately $3,174.40. Level 7 Champion. Cost to upgrade 0.2112 BNB, $160. You receive 128 payments of $99.20. Total earned 16.957 BNB, approximately $12,697.60. Level 8 Director. Cost to upgrade 0.4224 BNB, $320, 69%. You receive 256 payments of $198.40. Total earned 67.829 BNB, approximately $50,790.40. Level 9 Titan. Cost to upgrade 0.8448 BNB, $640, 69%. You receive 512 payments of $396.80. Total earned 271.319 BNB, approximately $203,161.60. Level 10 Icon. Cost to upgrade 1.6896 BNB, $5,280, 69%. You receive 1,024 payments of $793.60. Total earned 1,085.276 BNB, $812,646.40. Level 11 Legend. Cost to upgrade 3.3792 BNB, approximately $5,560. You receive 2,048 payments of $1,587.20. Total earned 4,341 BNB, approximately $3,250,585. Level 12, Emperor, cost to upgrade 6.7584 BNB, $5,120, 69%. You receive 4,096 payments of $3,170.40. Total earned 17,364.4186 BNB, approximately $13,002,342.40. Level 13, Conqueror, cost to upgrade 13.516 BNB, $10,240, 69%. You receive 8,192 payments of $6,340.80. Total earned 69,457.674 BNB, approximately $51,753,609.60. Level 14, Chancellor, cost to upgrade 27.0336 BNB, $20,480, 69%. You receive 16,384 payments of $12,681.60. Total earned 277,830.697 BNB, approximately $207,775,334.40. Level 15, Creator, cost to upgrade 54.0672 BNB. You receive 32,768 payments of $25,363. Total earned 1,111,548.89 BNB, approximately $831,137,337. To keep this video from being too long or looking complicated to you, the remaining aspects of the earning structure will be explained in detail after you join and activate your account, which are direct referral bonus 10%. Earn 10% instantly when you refer someone. Recurring level bonus 21%. Earn passively from 15 levels deep in your team generation. Royalty bonus 3.5%. Daily non-working income for top leaders starting from icon rank. Lifestyle reward bonus. Additional rewards as your team and rank grow. So you can join this system under our team as a passive investor, no direct referrals needed, or build a powerful team and earn even more massively. To join our team as an investor, here's what you need. You can start from level 1 and upgrade as high as you want. For example, level 1 to 3, level 1 to 5, or even level 1 to 8, depending on the amount you can afford to begin with right now. But let's assume you start with level 1, beginner. Entry fee, 0.045 BNB, approximately $3.50. To qualify for earnings in any level you start with, you need 2 active members under you. The GBN leadership team will help you by placing 2 active members under you within 15 days. To support this, you'll send $7, 0.09 BNB to cover the entry cost for those 2 members. Total minimum investment equals $11. Note, the $7 you use to support the 2 placements goes directly under you, meaning 70% of the earnings still come back to your wallet. From there, you'll keep upgrading using your profits and continue growing your passive income. No stress, no referrals needed. We'll also use part of the funds to run more ads and bring in new people, so you can let the leaders do the work for you. Or you can join as a team builder. If you have 2 people who can duplicate this process, you can start from any level you can afford. Even if you don't have any invites yet, you can upgrade to any level at any time. Level 1. 0.0044 BNB, $3.50. You need to invite at least 2 people who can duplicate the same process. Benefit: as your team grows and upgrades, your income increases automatically. Build smart, upgrade strategically, earn consistently. Ready to start? Reply to the person who shared this with you. Let them know if you're coming in as an investor or a team builder. Or if you just found this video online, check the description to see how to get started. Let them know whether you're coming in as an investor or a team builder. Be part of the people who have already started earning through this realistic system for life. The results we've seen across our global team have been truly inspiring. People from different countries and backgrounds are earning in ways they never imagined. Becoming part of this movement is more than just joining a platform. It's stepping into a community that's winning together. This is your chance to experience financial transformation, and once you activate your account, you'll gain the privilege to join our team, where we'll show you how to unlock even more massive earnings with full support every step of the way.